Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add text in CapCut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, access your CapCut app on your mobile phone, and now go ahead, choose your video file. Now let's delete this one, and now let's say we have this video file of ours. Right, so if you want to add text over here, all we have to do is simply go back here in the section and tap on this option of text which is given. Now we can choose auto captions, which will simply get the auto caption from the video file as well, but in this video we have no audio, so for that we have to simply go ahead, tap on this add text option. Now go ahead, add text. So let's say this is our text, right? So if you want to simply add it, you can see it's already there. We can also choose to tap on this pencil icon, and now we can change the style, the font, the color accordingly. Let's say this is one we're going with, and we can tap on this check mark, and now we have our text. We can choose to place it wherever we would like, right over here accordingly, and we are good to go. And we can simply have to drag this out till we want, like let's say if we drag it to there, then we will have our text till that. If we go over the line, then we won't be able to access it. So that is the simple way for you to do so. Once you're done, you can simply go ahead, choose to tap on this icon, and simply download this video on your gallery, and then you're good to go. So, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.